In the previous lesson, you learned about the three fundamental relationships that exist between sounds and movements: matching, contrasting, and ignoring. Let's start with matching. Instantly, if I want to match this, I am thinking about one body part and doing repetitive hits, a little bit bigger, a little bit more powerful. We had a vibrating sound effect. I vibrated with my body. Next one is gonna be a break, that pause. These were examples for matching three different sound events. Next one, we have contrasting. It's really important to understand this, and I underline it 5 times. When using the contrast relationship, it's still musical because it matches the beginning, the duration, and the end of the sound event you are contrasting to. Otherwise, if it doesn't start, it doesn't match the duration, and it doesn't match the end, it's gonna look like you don't know what you're doing. Here is a clear example. Example number 3, ignoring. Remember, ignoring is best used to ignore something that is pretty obvious, to either prepare for something more powerful, or to create, to evidentiate something else. Here are some examples. So remember, ignoring usually is helpful when you want to show something that is not that obvious, or when you want to prepare for something else. In the end, remember this: you always choose a sound, you choose what you want to interpret. Then you choose the move, you choose the body part, and you choose if you want to match it, contrast it, or ignore it. I know you feel that that's gonna be a lot of work in your head when dancing, but this is gonna become automatic. You're not gonna even think about it. That being said, here, decide, match, ignore, contrast. See you in the next lesson.